Do your bed rail ends look like this with the hole? Maybe you still have your raggy white one and you want to kind of paint them over or remove them. They're usually held in by a Phillips head screw on the bottom here. Each one has one. You can still get these caps new. This is a right one, I believe. They are directional. There's a right and left. I will post the part numbers for both in the description below. They just pop right in. You might have to reform the mouth a little bit if it's a little bit messed up, but you can see I painted mine black. They only come in white. So let's bring this over here, and look at that, fits right in. If you go to your hardware store, I found these screws. They're window trim screws. So they have, whoops, they have the nice like coarse thread that'll dig into it. I believe these are number 10s. Number 10 should be good enough. You just have to thread it back in to tighten it up. There you have it. A nice buttoned up trim where it's not just a hollow hole anymore. I'm gonna go do the rest of them. Interesting. The thickness of the bed rail cap adds a little bit, and then of course this new black cap adds a little bit too, and it kind of helped with my alignment of this latch because my bolt is broken and the thing actually latches on decently now. But now I have to adjust this side because all the added extra thickness, this latch isn't too happy with it. I don't really want to crank it down, so I have to loosen these two bolts here and slide it a little bit this way, and then I should be able to latch that down. As you can see, I only did 4, the rear 4. I didn't paint the other 2 yet because I was too lazy and I wanted to make sure it worked before I did anything. I will do the front ones too, but it's a pretty simple fix. Most of the work goes into painting it if you wanted to paint it. I mean, my truck is painted gray, so I didn't really want the white caps. So if you still have a white truck, this is easy to do. It cleans up that rear end a bunch, so it doesn't look like you have unfinished holes on the bed rail. Well, that was a quick and easy thing to do. Hope you enjoyed this. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Or you'll see me next time. Somebody will see somebody next time.